Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss three problem of CSIR UGC NET. All these three problem are trick based. So, and this is one line problem actually. If you are aware about the trick of this problem. So what is the given first problem? So here it is given that the vector space Rnx over R in greater equals to 2 and W1 W2 are two subspace given the definition that Px belongs to Rnx, and here is there is a conditions given that P0 is equals to 0, restriction 1 restriction here and 1 restriction here, that is P1 is equals to 0. So we consider the vector space V is equals to Rnx. Okay, what is this Rnx? Rnx is nothing but Rn. This is Px, P of x belongs to Rnx. Okay, so this is the vector space. So if we find the dimension of this V, the polynomial Px is a polynomial function. If we find the dimension of V, it will be n plus 1. The dimension of the V is n plus 1. How it is possible? So if we take a polynomial function of degree 2, then the number of elements will be 1, x and x square. So what is the dimension of this polynomial space? The dimension of Px is 3. So similarly, since V is a polynomial space of n number of polynomial space, so the dimension of V will be n plus 1. And the trick is the dimension of this W1 intersection W2 is nothing but the dimension of V, the vector space V, minus number of restriction. So how many number of restriction are there in W1 and W2? Here it is 1 restriction and here it is 1 restriction. So total number of restriction is 2. So my dimension will be n plus 1 minus 2. So this is n minus 1. So option B is the correct option. N minus 1 is the dimension of the W1 intersection W2 is n minus 1. Okay. So hence this problem is solved. Now we will discuss about the problem 2. This is also a trick based question, that if we want to find that here it is given that the vector space V be a vector space of all real sequences over R real line, and W1 is given another subspace of the vector space, and here there is two restriction is given, that is A1 plus A2 plus A10 is equals to 0 and A11 plus A12 plus dot A20 is equals to 0. So there is two restriction is given. So here it is a trick based question also. So dimension of V by W is nothing but the number of restriction in W, the vector space W. So how many number of restriction is there? There are two restrictions. So this dimension of V by W is nothing but 2. So my option B is the correct option. Now we will solve the problem number 3. So here in this problem it is given that if you look at this problem, it is asked that let Q the set of rational number, R the set of real number, and C the set of complex number is given, then which of the following is a vector space? Now we know that the set of natural number is a subset of Z, is a subset of Q, is a subset of real line, is a subset of complex number. So we know that R over Q is possible, C over R is possible. Okay, R over Q is possible since Q is a smaller set than the R, so it is possible, and C over R is possible. Here only the two cases is possible, and Q over Z or Z over Q, this is not possible. Why this is not possible? Because Z is not a field. So in that case, Q over Z or Z over Q and other, these are not possible. So R over Q is possible and C over R is possible. A and C option is correct. Now if we consider the case of the B and C, B and D, that Q over R is not possible because the inner set is larger than the outer set. So this is not possible. Similarly, R over C is also not possible. So these two are not possible. Why this is not possible? Because the inner set, the R is greater than the set Q. So this is not possible. Similarly, the set of complex number is always greater than the set of real number. So these 2 is not possible. So my answer is option A and option C. So thank you friend for watching my video.